Hey guys, so I forgot to film an intro, so this is going to be the intro, but this is going to be a glittery holiday makeup look that I decided to film for you guys. So if you want to see it, then just keep watching. So I think I'm going to start off with Public Eye, which is like this brownie shade here. I'm going to apply that into my crease. And I'm really specific with this color. And I'm going to take Dazzle Night here. And I'm going to take a very, very precise brush. Because this here, I'm going to like take this really like flat-ish brush. And I'm going to really go into my crease with this one because I want to specifically focus it in the crease. So I'm just taking that and really just blending that in there. Almost like a pencil brush almost. Well, actually, yeah, I'm taking this Morphe E36 brush and I'm just gonna really focus that in there. So. So I'm gonna go in with this black and I'm going to very lightly just add a little bit of black on the outer corner because I just want to kind of make it a little bit smoky. So we're gonna go in with that black, and with this black I would suggest honestly going with a super light hand because black is so dark you don't want to like go in too heavy. A little bit more of that Dazzle Night shade. I'm gonna go back into my crease with that and then we're gonna blend it all out, but I'm not touching the black, so I'm stopping right here before the black starts because I do not want to touch that black because I don't want that black to mix into my crease area. So I'm just blending like the kind of like 3/4 of the way there. I'm gonna take this makeup wipe and wipe the sides. You go back again with that crease brush and just kind of blend it in there. I'm gonna take this NYX Glitter Primer and put that on my lid area. I am gonna do the whole entire lid with glitter. I'm gonna take the star of the show, which is this LA Girl glitter. It is so beautiful. This is in the shade Ooh La La. Such a cute name. So I'm gonna take it on that same brush and I'm just gonna pat it all over my lid. Oh my god, so pretty, guys. Now I will say there is fallout with this, so you know, if you're gonna use this, I would recommend doing your eyes first because it is a lot of fallout. And also if you're like me and not a professional makeup artist, you might need, you know, if you mess up on your eye, you might need like do your eyes first. Take this Cover FX gripping primer, which I love. I'm just gonna apply that. So I'm going to mix two foundations. I'm going to take my NARS Soft Matte Foundation, and I'm going to mix this in with my Maybelline foundation. The reason why I'm mixing this in with my Maybelline foundation is because this one is, I feel like, a little bit light for me. This is in the shade Macau, but I feel like it's kind of light. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this and concealer. I actually got these two samples of the Makeup Forever. I think it's like the matte concealer. I have mine in shade Ultra 52. I'm gonna mix Ultra 52 in with Ultra 41. I don't know how it's gonna work. I'm just gonna mix these two in, and I'm just gonna use those for my concealer today. I just want to try like a new concealer, so. And before I go in with any powders to set my face or anything, I'm actually going to take a cream bronzer to bronze up my skin, because you know cream before powder. But I'm going to take the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer, and this is in the shade Sunkissed, and I'm going to apply this with a brush, of course. I'm actually gonna use one of my favorite. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Perfecting Powders, and I have mine in the shade 4. I think this is the darkest one, which is like. But I'm going to set my face around the bronzer that I use. Take this foundation brush from It Cosmetics, and I'm actually gonna take this. I'm gonna take it around where I bronzed my skin. This is to set my face. Now the areas that I put concealer, I'm going to take the Essence Brighten Up powder. And something I was watching Jackie Aina's video over the weekend, and she was like following a makeup tutorial by Ariel, because he did Patrick Starr's makeup. And something that he says like that she did is that she took like a skin tone powder and she applied it around her nose. So I'm gonna try that today, and I'm gonna see how that works. I'm gonna take that Charlotte Tilbury powder and just kind of brush that around the bridge of my nose, because I do not contour my nose. I never contour my nose, but I could take a skin like powder and the Juvia's Place Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette. I'm gonna take Sola, which is this beautiful pink shade, and I'm gonna actually mix it in with Lina. So I'm gonna take these two and apply that as my blush. I take my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist before I go in with highlight, just to blend everything in. Now I'm gonna go in with this beautiful highlight from Artist Couture. This is an Illuminati. And we're going to take very, very little from the lid. I like to take it from the lid. And, you know, since it's holiday makeup, I'm just gonna, in a circular motion, apply it here. Like, do you see that? Like, really beautiful. And take it. I'm taking this Revlon Color Stay Liquid Liner, and I'm going to create a wing on my eyes. I'm not a makeup artist, so my makeup is not going to be perfect. I'm not Makeup by Mario or Ariel. So I want to actually take Illuminati from Artist Couture, and I want to take a little bit of that and put it in my inner corners. You're gonna take Dazzle Night from that OPV palette, and we're just gonna smudge that on our lower lash line. So I'm gonna take this Essence Lash Princess Mascara. You could always go in with falsies. I am not going in with falsies because this mascara literally makes your eyelashes look like you have falsies on. But obviously during the holiday time, you could really wear falsies. But this mascara is just so amazing that I don't even think I need falsies. You see this? I don't even want to wipe it off. That's it for the eyes. The eyes are all done. Looks very beautiful. Now onto the lips. One of my favorite parts. Taking the ColourPop BFF3 lip liner. I'm gonna line my lips. I'm gonna take Dose of Colors Cork. Taking this e.l.f. Prismatic lip gloss in Rose Quartz. The reason why I'm taking this is because, you know, for the holidays, I think this would be a beautiful gloss to have on your lips. Like, look at this. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. I'm gonna zoom you in. Gloss, you guys. Like, it kind of has reflective. You can't really see them on camera, I feel, but it has like reflective pink in it. It's just so beautiful for the holidays. So guys, that is my first of many holiday makeup looks. I hope you like this glittery makeup holiday look. Thank you so much for watching. This was so fun to create, and even though I made mistakes along the way, like, it's fine because it's makeup and we're not perfect. But I really love this look, and you know, I hope that this is some inspiration for you for the holiday season. But thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you are not already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.